Hello, good morning, everybody. Good afternoon, good night from wherever that you are watching me from. My name is Amoo Oluwasegun. I have a scenario here that I've written on my laptop, and I would also want to share them with you, as this is an introduction to digital marketing. And I know by the end of this course, you will get insight, you will have knowledge. I will show you step by step on how you can go about digital marketing. A lot of people lied to you about internet money. There are a lot of things behind the scene that a lot of people don't tell you, especially when it comes to affiliate. I spoke with a lady of recent. She says she wants to join affiliate marketing. So she sent all the necessary stuff to me, and this was one of the things that battered this vision of me communicating my knowledge out there so that people will have a feel of what exactly is digital money and what it entails. A lot of things behind the scene that you're not telling you. But me, I'm here now to communicate it to you, to teach you, to let you know. So by the time you are dabbling into affiliate marketing, content, whatever, you'll be successful at it. You will know what it takes, you will know how to take, you will know what to do in order to get your job done. So I wrote here, I said the business name Lush Trend. I will put this on the screen after editing and everything so that you can see it. Lush Trend is a small Nigerian brand for fashion. It started by selling a costume made Ankara outfit through the Instagram, and most of the buyers, they were local, they would market, you understand. But the founder wanted to expand globally. So this is where it comes in, where digital marketing comes in. Digital marketing helps in number one, social media advertisements. Oh, we really go deep into the advertisements. You will learn a lot. And they ran targeted adverts on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok to reach Nigerian audience in the UK, in Canada, in US, and most part of Africa and other continents. They used email marketing. This trend collected customers' emails with 100% off first purchase. That is, that popped up on the website. You would have ordered that thing. They used MailChimp to send weekly, monthly promotion and new arrivals. Content marketing. They started a YouTube channel whereby they display everything that they do via the shop that they do, their blogs, sharing of fashion tips, styles of videos, which also increased their customer base. Influential collaboration. But before we do that, we would like you to dive into what we call search engine optimization, which is widely known as SEO. They optimize their website with keywords like affordable African fashion, buy Ankara online, to appear first on Google search. And then they collaborate with influencers. There are a lot of influencers on TikTok. We'll get there and help them wear what they do. When they see it on their neck, they see it on their body, they say, oh, I love this that you do. How can I get this? And they started reviews on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook. They made use of WhatsApp also and Telegram. They made use of creating of broadcast messages whereby they bombarded their customers with new arrivals, new promotions, new stuff, new outfits that the factory is making. And the broadcast, broadcast is like 254 or 255 if I'm not mistaken, and they have a lot of contact. 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 that they regularly broadcasted them to. So the result of this, all that they did is they had increased engagement. They made 300% increase of sales within 6 months. They started receiving orders from different countries of the continent. This is a scenario of what we call digital marketing. This is a scenario of digital marketing. And you need to understand the back end of digital marketing in order to function with it. in order to ensure you have a background knowledge of what exactly is digital marketing. How can I make use of it in order to get what I want from life? You are a business owner. You are just doing business and you don't understand the in-depth. You need to take this course. You need to get this done. This is the introduction to a lot of all businesses make use of this. If they don't hire a person to do it, you need to know this by yourself. You get me? So that is the introduction of digital marketing. And in the next video, we'll be typing trip, and I'll be making use of my slide here on my laptop, and I'll be showing you mastering digital marketing, your pathway to growth. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next module. Thank you.